Hello friends, today I'm gonna show you the detailed information about the calligraphy tools of Arabic, Urdu or Devanagari calligraphy. In this video you will learn what type of tools we can use for these type of calligraphy and what type of pens we can use, what type of ink we can use, what type of paper we can use, and where it is easily to get them. Okay, so watch the video till the end. My name is Abdul Qayyum Selawat. I am a calligrapher and a pen maker. So first of all, we'll start with the most commonly considered tool, which is the bamboo column. And as you can see, it is made by the bamboo plant sticks. People cut like this and make it a pen shape and then do the writing. And this type of pens are available in Indo-Pak areas. Means this is called as Indian bamboo, and there are two types of Indian bamboo. Like this one is the bamboo which have very small hollow part in it, and this bamboo has not any part of hollowness, and this one have a bigger part. So this is called the Narkat bamboo. Okay, these are commonly used and which are very cheaper in cost, but they don't have much long life. Like you have to sharp it with knife or blade, and you have to use, and it don't have much longer life. But still many people use, professionals and especially beginners use this. This is the Indian bamboo. Moving to the next tool, as you can see, it is also made by plant stick, and this is an Indonesian bamboo, and which is very hard and used by many professionals. This is also called as Bili or Handam, which have a different type of structure, and its hardness is also good. And I have made these like this, means I have cut this and applied the nib part on my holders. So this is also a good color. You can get it in India, in Gulf countries. Nowadays it's everywhere available in average price. So this one is also a good tool. This is a Javi column, also called as Javanese column, which is this column is made by my column shop at my own store, and it is available in India and out of India also. It is made as a replica of the Javi column, but we have made it like made with some good wooden tools, and this is also have a good writing quality. These are the Selly columns, also called as Turkish Selly columns, but as you can see there is written on every pen my column, because it is made at my store, and it is available all over India and all over world. And we have made it as it is like the Turkish Selly columns, which are used by professional calligraphers from Turkey, and we have made it with good wooden raw materials, and it is commonly considered in Turkish calligraphers that they use with it, and for especially for the Sulus Jali, and these columns we are making in India, and Alhamdulillah we are getting very good feedback from all over the world about these columns. So you can have it from my store, my column shop. These columns are very specially designed columns, and which have very special nib part on it. These are the bones of the camel, and commonly called as camel bone nib columns. So we are also making this, and which have the high sustained quality, and it has many years of long life, and these are the specially made columns by us, and for very high professionals and good calligraphers we are making, and we are making on orders. And as you can see, the sharpness and the beauty of these columns. So you can have it from my store, my column shop. These are the fountain pen to do the Arabic, Urdu or Devanagari calligraphy, and these have the cut nib on it, and fountain pen inks are used for them, and this is also for a good writing or for the beginners. These are the marker pens, calligraphy markers. It is a jumbo marker, and this is a small marker. It has also a cut nib on it. This is a Sharpie marker, and this is the name is erased by the ink, but it is the Equitex ink and Equitex marker, and these are also good markers for doing commercial works. These are the touching pens, and after making an art we have to touch the letters. So these are the 0-point nib pens, and we also make at my column shop these type of pens, and you can have it from anywhere. Also you can say a straight holder for the calligraphy in English, or the Spencerian type of calligraphy. They call it straight holder, so you can get that holder to do the touching. This is a pen cutter, also called as finishing tool. After making the letters, we have to do some erasing on papers. Especially for erasing, we use makahar paper or ahar paper, and on that papers we can do the touching and finishing, and this is the finishing tool. We have to erase some edges and all, so this is commonly used for that. So now I let you know about the inks. Firstly, what I've shown in previously, these type of fountain pens. For these I use this Camlin fountain pen ink. You can use any fountain pen ink, and it is very easily available everywhere in any stationery or bookstore. So for these type of pens we have to use only fountain pen inks, and after that I show you the calligraphy inks. So these are the two international brands of inks, calligraphy inks. This one is Some ink, and this one is the Winsor and Newton Black Indian ink. These are available everywhere on Amazon or any other international website. You can have it from a good store also. So these are the calligraphy inks which are easily available everywhere in the world. Okay, and this one is also a good ink, which is PH Martin Bombay White India ink. I have bought white ink, so this is also, you can have it from any international website, and this is also a good calligraphy ink. And other than that, I also make and sell the columns and the inks too. These are available at my store, my Kalam shop. You can have it. These are cheaper in cost and having a good quality in writing. And these type of jars I sell with these inks, and this type of pouch of silk Lika. And Lika are of two types. If you don't have silk, you can use these type of cotton threads also. Mostly I sell this cotton thread Lika in free of cost with the ink and the ink jar. So this is the set of ink what I sell at my Kalam shop. Means one ink bottle, one jar, and one piece of Lika. And also sell this type of set also. Means one bottle, one jar, and one silk Lika. So you can have it from my Kalam shop, or if you are not able to buy from me, you are any other country, you can have it from some international Arabic websites. So you can have it to use with the columns or with the dip pens. So this was the total introduction of tools. Now I will show you how to prepare a calligraphy ink, because I got many requests from people that I must show this thing also in this video. So first of all, we need a calligraphy ink. I am using this one, PH Martin Bombay, and this jar of ink, and a piece of thread. I am using the silk thread in it, which is called Lika, and some water. Okay, so first of all we have to put the thread in this, and we have to make it a little wet. Add a little amount and keep it properly in this, and make sure it is properly wet now. And then we will open this ink. So I am pouring it directly like this, and then we have to mix it up with a stick like this. Now the water, the ink is properly managed in the Lika. So many people ask me regarding the Lika also, that why the Lika is used in inks. So this is the answer to them, that when we'll dip the column inside this, when we'll dip the column, it will not take much ink. It will take the ink only whatever, how much amount it needs. So this is the commonly ink container making. So in this video you have got this tutorial also. These are the hand paper. These are handmade papers, and you can write on both of the sides. You can use for practice, or you can make artworks on it. And professional calligraphers do practice on only handmade papers. So these are good for practice, and you can make artworks also. I have also made many artworks on these type of paper. This is an ahar paper, or called as a makahar paper. This is also a different type of paper. This paper is a jute based paper, and on it we do many layers of coating, and after it finishes we can do writing on it. Then we can do touching with the straight holder which I have shown, and do the finishing with the pen cutter or the finishing tool. So it gives a professional quality of artwork.